Gender-based violence, kuna na veliroro, matuka na veliroro. We've been able to fight gender-based violence in totality, lakini inturaikera gali. But in the ketomanya this gender-based violence thing is multi-sectoral. Right. It has to be a collaboration. Toko chaye wika ngabe maybe, for example, maybe natural rumbe women rep 2027. Manyangote yabanga ninche wika ndekete kutakwa mangana gender-based violence nyakore. Okay. It is multi-sectoral. You have to work with other people. You have to work with the state actors and even the non-state actors, the NGO world, so that they do their part, you do their part to make sure abantu abanyolere oboene. And also advocacy. Kovera skogali kove komolembe kotebia abantu nga we need to a peaceful county. Kosaba kaka bambo begokora. It has to be an initiative of the community, the people, the state actors, and it is a multi-sectoral thing. Ekeromo monta a reprimona, for example, the state actors, maybe the state actors into what the national government and even the county. So national government na webwate ochukumu na ki tobwato monto. Karatu amubwatire county maybe ne bwate mandate ya nga na into tigato murwali. Usino nyagitali. Kero amurwali na maybe yaenda na bona judiciary. Huyo mtu wacha tumfunge. Akuwe corrected ama kitu kama hiyo. Ne women rep nero ne bwate pande yae. Yoko make sure ngo monto yo umusubati yoko sereto nyo umusubati yoko sereto. Na kia ko empowered economically. So that yo bogoma bokoreke bogenderete, because some of those things una gusiga kokonyora maybe umugaka orepiri omwana omwese bwati yo manya kutuberota abanga tote bionde ngabona mutatu mino gako kendechera na kituko chakoragira. So for us ibintu bine bigosira, we have to work together, collaboratively in all the sectors in so that we make sure ngabanta abanyore justice no mongi no yonye karengera tina kya uchkoragera kwa mokonyere some economic empowerment onyorera sakurusia besa kwira no mwane school, then we can be able to reduce that. All right. Or even gukura. Okay. Okay. But it's an issue worldwide. That tutakula lakini tunaweza jaribu tufikie zile countries zingine.